Hello, beautiful people. Good to have you here. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, if today is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, set your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a video. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to prepare Tigernut and Date beverage, and I'll also share with you guys how to use the beverage. Okay, after preparing it, this is a must-watch video. Okay. So sit back, relax, make sure you watch till the end, and don't forget to like this video, okay? Feel free to drop a comment, and most importantly, subscribe, okay? So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. All right, so here is tiger nut, and this is date. Okay, so here is half rubber of tiger nut, and then this is half rubber of date. So before I use them, I have to wash it. Very important. I'm going to wash both of them using salt. After washing them, of course, date has seed inside. You're not going to use the seed. We're going to open the seed and remove the seed before use. So watch and see how I'm going to wash them, and also watch and see how I'm going to peel the date and remove the seed. And after that, I will show you the next step. Okay, so keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to add little salt, okay, before washing. You really have to wash this several times to make sure that there is no dirt. Okay, wash it very well before. Now you can see how clean the water is. So you have to wash this very well. You wash it severally until the water gets clean. That's when you can now remove it, but make sure you wash this thoroughly well. I washed it more than 3 times, I think 4 to 5 times. Yes, now you can see how clean the water is, so it can now be used. Okay, so yeah, I have to put this on the basin. I'm going to wait for the water to drip off totally before I can now do the next thing. So while I'm waiting for the water to drip off completely from the tiger nut, I'm going to wash the date and then remove the date seed. By then, the water must have dripped off totally before I do the next thing. So keep watching, okay? So this is the date, okay? I'm also going to wash it using salt, okay? And I will also wash it thoroughly severally. I'm also going to wash it thoroughly to be sure that everything has cleaned up. So I'm done washing. I'm going to peel it off, take off the seed while the water is dripping off. And after that, we'll move to the next level, which is the other means of drying them before blending. Okay, so if you've watched up to this moment, don't forget to like this video. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any question, and also share this video, please. You don't know who this video would help. Okay, and subscribe if you haven't. All right. All right, so I'm still peeling the date. It's a bit hard to peel because it's not that soft. So if you're experiencing such, you just have to soak it in water for some time. You can use a drinkable water to soak it for some time so that it will be a bit soft before peeling, because when it's soft, it will be a bit easy for you to peel it and remove the seeds. So I'm waiting for it to get soft a bit, and then I'm going to peel it off. And after that, we're going to dry it. Okay, so keep watching so that you don't miss out on the process on how to dry it up before grinding it. Okay,
1 hour later.
so here is the date. I finished peeling off the date. It actually took a while before I was able to do that because I was waiting for some of it to get soft before I removed the seed. And after doing that, I had to wash it again, because inside the date, when you remove the seed, you also see some little dirt inside. So I had to wash it again. So now I'm going to dry fry it. I can't put it under the sun because the sun will melt the date. So the best is to dry fry it, which I'm going to do now. So keep watching. So here is the tiger nut. It has finished dripping off water and it's looking a little bit dry, but it's not totally dried. So I'm going to put it under the sun. That's why I had to put it in a wide tray. It's actually sunny. So I'm going to put it under the sun for it to dry totally before we blend it. All right. So if you've watched up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, feel free to drop a comment and subscribe if you haven't. All right. So keep watching till the end. Right, so our date is ready. I'm done dry frying it. And it's something that you have to take your time to do it, and you dry fry it bit by bit. Alternatively, you can use your oven. If you have an oven, you can use your oven to dry it. Okay, so I'm done drying, and the next step now is to take it to where it will be blended. Of course, I don't have the engine for the blending, so I'm taking it together with the tiger nut to blend it. Okay, so keep watching till the end and let's see the outcome together.
2 hours later.
So I'm done grinding the tiger nut and dates, and I had to package them in this container. Alright, so try this out and thank me later. If you've watched up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, feel free to drop a comment and subscribe if you haven't. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.